What's the meaning of clumsily? Clumsily. Clumsily.
Clumsily. Clumsily. Clumsily means to do something awkwardly or without skill, often resulting in mistakes or accidents. When someone does something clumsily, it is usually evident from their lack of coordination or precision. For example, a person may clumsily spill a drink, drop objects, or stumble while walking. Clumsiness can also apply to more complex actions, such as playing a musical instrument or carrying out a task requiring fine motor skills. Overall, clumsiness can lead to a range of negative consequences, including injury, embarrassment, and frustration.